dużo błędów popełniłem. Czy zrobiłem coś źle? No postąpiłbym tak samo, gdyż człowiek uczy się na błędach, to jest doświadczenie.
Did I do something wrong? Mistakes are experience, and what we experience is what builds us. It develops our skills and our passion. I mainly create cosplays and above all armor you've seen in movies, comics, games. That's my main interest and hobby. And 3D printing helps me do that. I started in 2020. When the pandemic hit and we were stuck at home, I saw a video on YouTube. A guy made an Iron Man suit, so I decided to try myself. That's how it began. I've made about 12 armors. You may have seen them as one even went viral with 27 million views on Instagram. People think that a 3D printer spits out a finished project. It's not. Big parts need work, like the chest. You have to split it in half, connect it, hide joints, sand, add filler, until it looks finished. I've calculated the time. On older printers, one printer ran non-stop for 30 days. That's how I printed Iron Man in 1 month. It was just printing. Finishing took longer, 3 to 4 months with post-processing, so you see the difference. Time versus effort.
3-4 miesiące, więc możecie sobie łatwo porównać, jaki to jest przekład czasu i pracy na dane.
At some point I burned out. Then I got a faster printer with new technology and my passion came back. Now it's much easier. You can literally tap a button from your phone and the printer starts. Some say it's pointless or too expensive, but I always say someone buys a PlayStation. I buy a 3D printer. Same price, different outcome. He just plays and gets nothing out of it. Me, I gain experience and it gives me real parts. And a growing passion.
Ja mam doświadczenie, ja mam wydrukowany element. Mam hobby, które tak naprawdę coraz bardziej się rozwija.